If you want automatic AI subtitles for TikTok or Instagram Reels completely free in 2026, there's honestly one app that a lot of creators are switching to right now: Instagram Edits, because many creators started getting frustrated with CapCut limiting some free AI caption features. And honestly, Instagram saw that opportunity immediately. So now a lot of people are using Instagram edits instead, especially for Reels and TikTok style videos. So in this video, I'll show you the best free AI subtitle apps in 2026 and exactly how creators are using them step by step. First, the biggest new option right now is Instagram Edits. This is Instagram's own editing app, made specifically for short form content. And honestly, it feels very similar to CapCut, but it integrates directly with Instagram Reels. Now, here's how you use it. First, download Instagram, Edits, and create a new project. Then upload your video. Now, once the video loads, look for the option called Captions or Auto Captions. Now the app automatically listens to your voice and creates subtitles using AI. And honestly, this is what creators love most because you no longer need to manually type subtitles yourself. Now, after the subtitles generate, you can customize fonts, colors, animations, position, subtitle style, and honestly, some of the subtitle animations actually look very professional for a free app. Now, another reason creators are switching to Instagram: Edits no watermark. Because honestly, a lot of creators hate exporting videos with watermarks from editing apps, especially if they repost content across TikTok and Reels. Now, let's talk about the second option, CapCut. Because yes, CapCut is still one of the biggest editing apps in the world. And honestly, many creators still use it daily. Now, here's how auto captions work inside CapCut. First, upload your video, then press text and select auto captions. Now choose your language, and CapCut automatically generates subtitles synced to your voice. And honestly, CapCut still has some of the best subtitle customization tools overall, especially for viral TikTok-style captions. Now the problem: some users now report limitations on free auto captions depending on region or account type. So for some people, certain caption features now appear under Pro plans, and honestly, that's one reason creators started searching for alternatives. Now, the third free option, and honestly the easiest for beginners, is directly inside TikTok itself, because TikTok already includes automatic AI captions built into the app, and a lot of people don't even realize it. So here's how you use it. Upload your TikTok normally, then before posting, enable auto captions. Now TikTok automatically creates subtitles from your voice. And honestly, this is probably the fastest method possible because you don't need another app at all. The downside is TikTok gives you fewer editing and subtitle style options compared to CapCut or Instagram Edits. But for quick content, it works perfectly fine. Now, here's a very important tip: always review your subtitles before posting, because AI subtitle tools sometimes make mistakes with slang, fast speech accents, or names. And honestly, small subtitle mistakes can make your videos look low quality very quickly. Now, another thing creators are doing in 2026: using subtitles, even on very short videos. Because honestly, most people scroll social media with the sound off, especially on TikTok and Instagram Reels. And videos with captions usually hold attention much longer, which helps with watch time and engagement. Now let's talk about which free option is best if you want full editing, effects, music templates, and subtitles together. CapCut is still probably the strongest all-in-one editor. If you mainly want easy Reels editing, clean subtitles, and direct Instagram integration, Instagram Edits is becoming one of the best free options right now. And if you just want something super simple and fast, TikTok auto captions work directly inside the app with almost no setup. Now, let's be honest for code. A second AI subtitles are basically mandatory for content creation in 2026 because short form content moves very fast, and subtitles help people stay engaged even when they can't turn the sound on. So, to wrap this up, the best free AI subtitle apps right now are Instagram, Edits CapCut, and TikTok auto captions. All three let you upload your video, generate subtitles automatically with AI, customize them, and post directly to social media. And honestly, once you start using automatic subtitles, your content instantly feels much more professional and engaging.